Today, February 1st, 2026, is a date that will be written in financial history books. While most of the world is enjoying a quiet Sunday, the global financial landscape just shifted on its axis. Saudi Arabia has officially pulled the trigger. They've abolished the qualified foreign investor restrictions, effectively opening the doors to a $2.7 trillion gold mine for every single investor on the planet. But that's not the only fire burning today. In a rare move, India's markets are open on a Sunday for a high-stakes budget reveal that has sent gold and silver into a freefall. Why is the Saudi kingdom doing this now? Who are the real winners? And is this the start of a massive capital rotation out of the West and into the East? Today, we explain the global market shift that no one saw coming. For years, the Saudi stock exchange, the Tadawul, was like a private club. To get in, you needed to be a qualified foreign investor. That meant you had to manage at least $500 million in assets. Basically, if you weren't a massive hedge fund or a giant bank, you were locked out. But as of today, February 1st, 2026, those walls are gone. Any foreign investor, institutional or individual, can now buy shares in Saudi giants like Aramco or SABIC directly. No more complex swap agreements. No more middlemen. This isn't just a policy change. It's a desperate race for liquidity. Under Vision 2030, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman needs hundreds of billions to fund gigaprojects like NOM. By opening the market today, they are inviting a tidal wave of global cash to fuel the transition away from oil. While the Saudi news is structural, the immediate chaos is happening in India. In a move that has only happened twice since independence, the Indian stock markets are trading today on a Sunday to react to the 2026 union budget. And the reaction is a bloodbath for commodities. Gold and silver have hit their lower circuits, plunging 9% in a single session. Why? Because as Saudi Arabia opens up and the US dollar strengthens under new Federal Reserve leadership, the safe haven trade is being liquidated. Investors are moving money out of static assets like gold and into growth markets like the newly opened Saudi Tadawul. If you are a global investor, you are watching a massive capital rotation happen in real time. So, if you have direct access now, where is the smart money going? First, the energy titans. It's not just oil. Keep an eye on ACWA Power. They are leading the world's largest green hydrogen projects. Second, the banks. Al Rajhi Bank is the backbone of Saudi retail. With more foreign capital entering, the banking sector is expected to be the first to see a 10 to 15% liquidity bump. Third, the real estate shift. Along with the stock market, Saudi Arabia just eased property laws for foreigners in holy cities like Mecca and Medina. This is a multi-trillion-dollar real estate play that was previously impossible for non-Saudis. What could be the risks and the trap? But wait, is this too good to be true? Before you move your life savings into the Middle East, we have to talk about the risks. First, there is the geopolitical premium. While the market is open, the state still holds a massive influence over these companies. If oil prices dip or regional tensions rise, foreign investors are often the first to get burned. Second, the currency factor. The Saudi rial is pegged to the US dollar. With the new Fed chair nominee in the US leaning hawkish, a stronger dollar makes Saudi assets expensive for those using euros, yen, or rupees. Is the February 1st opening a buy the rumor, sell the news event? We've already seen the Saudi market rise 10% in anticipation. The real test begins tomorrow morning when the first full week of unrestricted trading kicks off. Coming to the conclusion, the opening of the Saudi market isn't just a local news story. It's the final piece of the 2026 global puzzle. We are seeing a world where the old Western-only investment model is dying. Between India's historic Sunday budget and Saudi's billion-dollar invitation, the East is officially taking the driver's seat. What do you think? Are you ready to invest directly in the Saudi market? Or do you think this is a bubble waiting to burst? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be responding to the best theories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Global Market Explained. We'll be tracking the Saudi liquidity flows all week long.